Hello people, Sai is back with another video. In today's video, it's going to be a resistance fight where Noob Nokia rank 21 who is with a rank 24 resistance guy against a rank 22 and 23 from Prodivo Fasa. Let's move on with the fight. We are now seeing the container collection part, and as resistance they are getting more containers as usual. And let's go. And Nokia managed to hide a few of infantry very effectively in the bushes. That's a very great advantage for a resistance commander. Everybody should do that. Okay, let's see what will happen. The enemies are really strong guys. I know them and they are friends of mine. Okay, and his partner Captain Brutal is a rank 24 guy, and the blue here is rank 23 and the green here is rank 22. Blue built a construction yard at the front of his base. At the first stage, both Nokia and his partner was thinking that they're gonna tower rush, and he built some safety gun towers in his base. Okay, like you saw that gun towers. And Blue is building some anti-air. Nokia is watching all the activities what the blue is doing here. Nice. And the green, guess what? Is killing all the units which are hidden in the bushes, and the green is going for a land army composition along with some vertex as the scouts reveal from his base. Okay, and he's nicely killing all the infantries in the bushes. Let's see what's the real fate of Confederation commanders against pros in a 2 versus 2 battle. That's gonna be revealed and reviewed here. Okay, the yellow player is producing land army as well as Evia, where Nokia is going for full land army composition, that is Jaguars, Chameleons and Porcupines. And they are trying to gang upon the green player here. Okay, Nokia has already some units out, and he's nicely moving in its units. Okay, just 3 Jaguars guys, just 3 Jaguars. That's gonna be it, and that's gonna panic those Confederation commanders. And the green is trying to force fire here. The original plan of Nokia was to distract the green into the backside of his base and attack him from both front sides. That's chameleon pressure guys, really hard to resist. Okay, and now they are moving it another group of chameleon from the front side, and the yellow player is already here attacking from the left hand corner. Okay, come on, it's remember guys, the rank 21 guy is facing rank 23 and 21. Okay, there it goes. Really hard to defend this, and attacking 2 sides, front and back. Oh, those torrents are raining rampage into the fog. He needs to retreat for a moment. And the yellow is also here. It's too much pressure on the green player here, like too much pressure. Oh man, this is very hard. Okay, and the chameleon and the jaguars are like no counter over there. Like Tracy used to say, no counter. Okay, and the torrents, they lack the shield as well as those here guys, but it was really hard for them to go into those kind of units, because the attack came there at 8 minutes, and both those players didn't know what to do. That's the reality here. That's chameleon pressure, fast attack. Okay, the resistant players always have to believe that don't give Confederation players time to deploy. If they deploy, they'll camp. That's really hard to breaking after camping. Okay, the Nokia is attacking from the backside as well. Okay, here it goes. Both the green and the blue are trying their best to survive from this attack, but the green player is almost like a snake bitten guy, because he's already wounded. It's really hard for him to come back now, because the yellow player is already deployed and has what? Albatross. Oh my god, Albatross. Okay, Nokia is being very annoying, attack from the sides. Let's see what will happen. Okay, the yellow player told him to attack that factory. Okay, And as the chameleon run out, the vertex kind of gonna fish everything it's outside. Okay, there was the albatross. Boom. One lonely thought died without saying anything. Oh man, so sad. Okay, then okay, is again here the chameleon pressure. Okay, vertex is helping out the green player, but the green player was producing like fire assault, but that won't help a lot because though if fire assault needs to help, is rocket tower must fire like four rockets. That's better when you use fire assault as well as cyclones. Okay, the blue player played really hard because he somehow wanted to help his partner. Another bombing run, excellent bombing run, destroyed another factory there. Another bombing run, and the chameleon pressure is so high here. A lot of units, like a lot, and they are like killing everything which is seeing. Now the blue player here with cyclones, but the green player lacked somehow some like porcupines, like porcupines, not porcupines here, so they're gonna die because. But there's a lot of jaguars and there is only a minimal amount of cyclones. That's not gonna cut. Another bombing run, boom, 2 factories gone. Rank 24 albatross, man, 5 bombs. hard. Okay, no matter how much armor your buildings has, you need tons of anti-air. Oh, I think anti-air don't work on that rank, I don't know. Okay, another set of chameleon is here, and here is the tip how you can like kill cyclones with a fork, guys. That will be revealed at the end of this battle. It's very easy. Okay, both are retreating, but as I told earlier, green player is a wounded soldier. He can't come back. The albatross are being very annoying here. Now the rocket towers won't help a lot because the green player is already dead. Okay, now they are going to gang upon the blue player. Let's see what will happen. And the yellow player has a lot of albatross, and that will be really hard for him to resist. Okay, another bombing run. Boom, boom, boom. Okay, managed to destroy almost all the factories there. Bombers are not dying here. I don't know why. My God. Okay, that's a neat amount of porcupines. Both Nokia and his partner got there. Okay, annoying sound. I'm really sorry. Okay, now what they are doing is that they are pushing those porcupines at the front of the fog and pulling those jaguars on the back side so that they won't die, and the cyclones are all gone. Okay, now that'll be pretty much it for us, guys. I hope you enjoyed this battle, and don't forget to like, subscribe and share this battle. I upload resistance as well as confederation content, and subscribe to Nokia channel, link in the description.